This is new, it's exciting, it's different, it's a new frontier. To bring it into the classroom and to see our students here at Arizona State University light up when they realize that they could speak to different body forms, body shapes, different forms of silhouettes that they might not have explored is amazing. We're not only just celebrating the designer, we're celebrating the technical designer. And they're learning more, they're getting more educated, they're becoming more thoughtful and precise. And that alone is a huge benefit. And then when you think about them graduating and going into the actual corporate or business and taking this knowledge, I mean, it's endless.
I see 3D pattern making being the complete future of this industry. For any large company, especially companies that work with manufacturers overseas, this cuts down on so much cost. This is a no-brainer.
I think that 3D makes it look really professional and really clean, and I think that for me makes me feel more confident when I walk into a space or a job. I can just pull this up on an iPad and present myself in a way that's comparable to someone who's more experienced. I think it's a really big creative tool.
And with Optitex specifically, we can work on models and bringing in genderqueer bodies. There's this huge trend right now with gender-neutral items, trying to figure out how to get a gender-neutral body, and what a lot of people don't realize is those bodies already exist. They're just widely unignored. I'm one of them. And so to have a system, to have a program that creates an all-around accessibility point, not only for the communities we've been ignoring, but for the communities we want to include.
I think 3D is just at the beginning. We're just starting to see digital fashion shows and digital models on social media. I look forward to seeing where it goes.
I think Optitex is going to play a major role in the sustainability movement, because not only does it minimize waste from samples, but also from overproduction. A realistic 3D rendering and have it be paired with something like pre-orders before the product even goes into production.
And it's becoming such a key part of the industry now, all across the field, from design to merchandising to retail. It's integral all the way across. It's not just a pattern maker's tool, it's an industry tool.
Our student is going to know design in a way that other people just don't, because what we are doing is teaching smarter design and better technical design.